So today we're hanging out in a Sunset Veranda, room 9326 on a beautiful Celebrity Ascent. Come on, let me show you around. So as soon as you walk into your room, your bathroom is on your right. It's this door right here. Follow the bathroom. There's a control station with a few light switches. This control station is fully touchscreen and can basically control everything inside of your room. Past the station, there's a storage area. If you open up all of these doors right here, you will find a lot of oddly shaped shelves. But I gotta say, they do fit a ton of different things, different shapes and sizes, and also a Wi-Fi receiver is in here as well. Past your storage area, you'll find a closet. It's actually quite big. If you open this door, you'll also find a full-length mirror that's located right here. You can check yourself out while you're getting dressed. This closet is huge. There are tons of spaces for your shirts, your pants, your dresses, shoes. There are 3 drawers in here and a safe. Once you walk past your closet, depending on your room configuration, you're either gonna find a bed over here, or in our case, there's a nice couch. It fits me perfectly. It's really comfortable. I actually use it to put my shoes on because it's really low to the ground. And on the opposite side of your couch, you're gonna find a ton of desk space. There are 3 huge drawers that are divided into 2, and they actually get bigger the lower you go. There's a mini fridge right here for you to fit your drinks. On top of the mini fridge, you have a charging station, which I really like the way this is set up. It provides you with a 220, 2 110s, and 2 USB ports, along with this little cubby that kind of keeps everything organized. Past the mini fridge, right over here, there is a desk with a half mirror that's backlit for all of those folks who like to put their makeup on. Now, one big difference between this ship and the Beyond, the Edge, and the Apex, it does not have a full mirror right here. On the Beyond and the Edge and etc., this table actually slides in and you're able to see a full-length mirror. On this ship, this is a half-length mirror that's backlit with a chair and a table that does not move. And the bed is huge. As you can see, this is definitely a king-size bed this way. Like I was telling you before, I'm 6'4", I'm a pretty big guy, and I have absolutely zero problems fitting on this bed. It's huge. I'd say my only complaint here, and maybe it's because we're sailing on the second sailing of the ship and the bed is still new, it's kind of hard. So if you're not used to a hard bed, you might have an issue with it. But then again, by the time you're sailing here, this could be broken in. And remember, one pro tip for you, you can ask for a pillow top. Those are these things, the mattress tops, that makes this bed a little bit softer, but you gotta do it quick because on our cruise, it was basically all gone by the time we asked. Now, both sides of your bed have cubbies, which of course allow you to store a whole bunch of stuff. There's a lamp in here. You have a 110 volt charger along with 2 USB chargers and light controls as well. So, welcome to your bathroom on the Celebrity Ascent. As soon as you walk in here, especially if you have never been on a Celebrity cruise ship, you'll realize that there's a ton of space in here. I'm 6'4", I weigh about 240 pounds, and I have zero problems using all of this space. The shower, the bathroom, I'll show you all of that. But as soon as you walk in, there's a large mirror right in front of you. On both sides, there are 3 nice shelves for you to fit your toiletries if you'd like. There's a very large sink. To be honest with you, maybe a little too large, because the left-hand side of it is kind of useless because there's really no faucet or anything there, and it probably could be used better for shelf space. But in general, a large big sink. If you're going to continue down, there are 2 shelves on both sides and a nice big drawer that a lot of people might not know about. If you slide it out, you'll see that there's going to be a hairdryer in there and maybe a couple of spaces for you to put your makeup bags or whatever else you'd like. Welcome to your shower on the Celebrity Ascent. As you notice, it's quite large. Remember, I told you I'm tall and I can fit in here no problem both that way and this way. You see, I can spin around without having any issues whatsoever. The shower pressure is pretty strong, maybe a little too strong, and it gets hot very quickly. This is a new ship, so of course, probably is assumed that it's gonna work really well, but there are absolutely zero problems in this shower. Honestly, I give it a 10 out of 10. And this right here is your toilet, of course, in your stateroom. As you notice, plenty of space. Pretty big guy, and I have no problems fitting into this toilet. There's a lot of space in front of me, which is really nice, and I don't feel cramped at all. The toilet paper is right over here. The toilet works really well, zero problems, 10 out of 10 here. And of course, the biggest difference between a Sunset Veranda and an Infinite Veranda is access to a balcony, which this room has. If you've ever stayed in an Infinite Veranda, you'll know that there's a sliding window with controls and etc. Over here, of course, There's a difference. You have an airlock door, which leads you to your own beautiful balcony looking at the back of the ship. Now let's talk about some positives and negatives about this room. And the fact is, there really are no negatives. The room is fantastic in every single way. I can't find one thing that's wrong with it. I mean, if you were to try to complain and find something, I'd say maybe the mattress is a little hard, but really, there's nothing else that's wrong with this room. Now the Sunset Veranda part is really nice. You get access to a balcony, you get to enjoy some really unique and amazing views out of the back of this vessel. Remember, there's also a sound. It sounds like a waterfall. I'll play a clip of it right here for you if you wanted to hear it. Now I find it quite soothing. It sounds like a waterfall to me and puts me to sleep. Again, I really do enjoy the views as well, right? The sunset when you're sailing away looks absolutely fantastic from this angle. I also really love the balcony. I've never been on an Edge class ship with a balcony, and I gotta say it's super modern. A lot of space in here. Of course, everything is new. The balcony is half covered, so you have shade and sun if you wanted to have that. And there's literally no sounds, there are no issues, it's insulated really well. You don't hear any sliding of chairs or anything above you. It's absolutely fantastic in every single way. So honestly, I give this room a 10 out of 10. I absolutely loved it, and you will as well. Remember, if you have any questions, make sure to drop them down below and I'll do my best to answer, as well as check out some of the other Ascent videos that I have linked for you above. A ton of content on the Ascent. It was an amazing trip. I definitely want to make sure I share it with you. If you want to see other celebrity cruise ships, I have a ton of other content on the channel. Remember to subscribe so you don't miss out on the next video. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one.
Yes.
Don't move. I can edit this and then just like cut to the.
Too late. I already started laughing. I mean, I'll try, but
how was it? Was it?
I don't know. You'll have to see in post-production.
Like this.
Oh my god.
And then I could be like this.
It looked like a belly flop.
Oh.
Your feet went up.
I'll redo it again. But how's this? Look.
That's good.